Hi class, Mr. Carpenter here. For this worksheet that I've created for you guys is for some extra practice, and we're going to be reviewing order of operations and algebraic thinking for the grade level kindergarten. And today we're going to be learning to add and subtract small numbers written in story form, and we're going to be able to write it in algebraic form. All right, so I have a few examples that I'd like to go over with you guys. But first, we have some instructions. For the instructions on this extra practice, we're going to be ready to compose the numbers given in story form, add numbers smaller than 10, write the equation in for the form that is given for you guys. Also, I have the instructions in Spanish for our Spanish-speaking families. And so I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, and there's my first example. So here we go. We're going to go over it together for these, and I'm going to read it to you first so we can get that out of the way. So Jen had 3 candles, and Ben gave her 1 more candle. How many candles does Jen have now? So I'm going to use my highlighter here so we can highlight the 3, and we can highlight the 1, because those are our key numbers that we're looking at here. So what I like to do is I like to think about there's 3 candles. So Jen had 3 to start off with. And her friend gave her 1 more. So if we write this out with a 3, we have obviously a 3 here. Then we have 1 more and equals. So now we can count them. So if I go here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, guys? So let's go on to another one.
Hi guys, so this is Mrs. Howard. So now we're looking at this problem right here. We got Adam has 7 cookies and his mom gave him 2 more cookies. How many cookies does Adam have? So let's highlight these key numbers right here. We got 7 cookies right there and 2 more cookies. So if we think about them down here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we have 2 more cookies. We got 1 and 2. So if we count all of them together, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And over here is 8 and 9. So in total, we have 9 cookies because 7 plus 2 equals 9.
All right, first, the next example that we have, Katie had 3 balls and James gave her 6 balls. How many balls does Katie have now? So we can think. Here are some of our key numbers. We have a 3 that she starts out with, and then we have a 6, guys. So we're going to go here, and we're going to start off with 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to count 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so now we can cross those out. We can count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, all together, we have 9. So we can go back and say 3, because that's how many she started out with, plus 6, because that 6 was the number that was given to Katie from James, equals 9. Okay?
So Jessica has 1 toy and Kevin gave her 2 toys. So we're going to highlight the 1 toy right here and 2 toys right there. And then we're going to count them down here. We got 1, and then we have 1 and 2. So if we count them all up together, we got 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 3 toys, because 1 plus 2 equals 3.
All right, guys, for the last one of our examples today, Corey has 5 cars and James gave him 2 more cars. How many cars does Corey have now? So let's think. So Corey starts out with 5 cars. So we're going to, let's see where that little marker is. Okay, we're going to do it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And James gives him 2 more. So therefore, there's going to be, let's exit this drawing. Let's go down a little bit so we can see. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 more, 1, 2. And then we're going to count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we think about it, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So how many did he start out with? He started out with 5. And then his friend James gave him 2 more. And that equals 7 cars in total. Okay? All right, guys.